At a press briefing held today, the 19th of January 2022, Meghalaya Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA informed the media on the cabinet meeting held to finalize and approve various items in its agenda. Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA informed that one of the main issues taken up during the meeting was on the 3 recommendations made by the regional committees on a solution to the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya.
The first agenda was the recommendation of the 3 regional committees on the interstate boundary between Meghalaya and Assam. The cabinet today has approved the proposal or the recommendations that have been given by the committee, and these recommendations will now be forwarded along with the recommendations from the Assam government to MHA for further action.
The cabinet had also passed the adoption of the National Highway Act for land acquisition for the construction of National Highway, informed Meghalaya's Chief Minister.
We had today passed the adoption of the NH Act for land acquisition for construction of National Highway. So there's a Land Acquisition Act, and now the NH Act will be applicable, which will be applicable only for National Highway projects only. So for other acquisitions, the normal Land Acquisition Act will be applicable. And this is being done throughout the country by most state governments. And the central government also has urged government of Meghalaya to approve this. With the approval of the land acquisition to be done under the NH Act, we will be reducing the time for land acquisition from 3 years to down to 1/3, so maybe max of 1 year. So it's a huge advantage, and it obviously will ensure that the projects are completed much faster.
Further, the Chief Minister informed that the cabinet meeting also decided to relax the upper age limit by 5 years for candidates applying for government services, whereby for scheduled tribes the upper age limit has been relaxed to 37 years, though the same will not apply to uniformed services.
The government has decided also to have age relaxation for entry into government service from the age of 27 to 32. This will not include an exemption has been given for police, home police. So any recruitment done by home police will be exempted from this decision. Forest guards will be exempted from this decision. The home guards and civil defense will also be exempted. And also the prisons officials, the prisons department also, certain posts will also be exempted from this. So the point is, the uniformed posts that are there, which require slightly more physical work, will have the same age limit as before, and there will be no change in that. But for all other government services, the age relaxation has been increased from 27 to 32, and for the ST, another 5 years will be added, so that's 37.
Another approval made by the government was on the policy of the Village Health Councils or VHCs, with a focus on health sector at the village level, which will again help improve community engagement in healthcare system to achieve goals of the 2021 State Health Policy, informed CONRAD SANGMA.
The state government today the cabinet has also approved the policy for village health councils of Meghalaya, and this is being done with the objective of focusing on the health sector at the village level. So village health councils will be created along with, of course, the coordination and cooperation of the headmans, the Rambashnongs, Nokmas, and this village health council will focus mainly on important health issues that are there at the village level, and it will be a first point contact for at least the basic health services and other health related issues at the village level.